Today we're calculating the apportionment for 2010. We're using two sites from census.gov. We're putting it into Excel. We're grabbing the population, the states, and the seats, the current seats. Those are off of the census.gov website. Now what we're going to do is factor in this. We're using the formula that's on their website. There's the formula. Now we're going to multiply that formula, the output of that formula, times the population. That gives us our multiplier. Now when we're doing that, we're factoring by 60. No state has more than 60 representatives, so that's as far as we have to go. So each state, we're going to plug in Alabama over and over and over again, and then we're going to overlay it with the actual state populations. So let's see here, we're almost done. We need 50 sets. Okay, we just calculated 50. We're going to save it for a moment. Now we're piecing it in one by one. As we overlay the information, it's using the same formulas to calculate all the multipliers. Step by step. A little bit of sort, a little bit of column widths. Again, we're simply grabbing the population of each state, plugging it in step by step, and we're creating one gigantic chart. The purpose of this is so that way we can have all these multipliers based on all these formulas. And what we're going to do in just a few moments here, once we get to the end of the list, we're going to filter, or actually not filter, we're going to sort from the highest multiplier to the lowest multiplier. And once we have that highest multiplier, we're going to calculate the first 435. Well, actually what we're looking for is seats 51 through 435, because each state gets at least one seat. Okay, so here we go. All right, now we've got all that information put together. Now we're doing, we're making sure that we have just straight information with no formulas. Okay, here we are. We're going to sort in just a moment here. Boom. We're sorting from highest to lowest. Now we're calculating from 51 to 435. We're cutting out anything above 435. Now that we've factored in and we put it in the right order, we're going to calculate 1 through 50. Those ones are automatic. Now we've sorted upwards, and now we're going to put it in a pivot chart to determine how many per state. And those are our counts there. Okay, so we put it in a separate worksheet, and we're going to go off the original census.gov website, and we're going to plug it side by side so we can check our work. Now, as long as everything's zero, perfect. That means that our numbers match what the state had already given us, and there's our calculation. Thank you.